I'm about done with this damn thing. I'm about to put it in the box and just go ahead and put it away. I've never seen something that was such a pain. Maybe you just can't print round things. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out if there's a firmware for this. I'm guessing since this looks like it could be older, maybe there's a firmware for it that will address some of these issues. It just doesn't seem like it, just like, I don't know, it just does weird behavior that causes funny jerky movements to cause severe stringing on anything with a circle. I'm within the temperatures that you would print PETG with, 229 and 70 on the bed. And I've got the fan on at 27%, and the big fan is unplugged because that thing's ridiculous. I just cannot get this thing to do anything nice. I did print the Easter Island statue in partial PLA, and then I printed it completely in PETG, and it was okay, but it wasn't great, and I reduced the speed quite a bit. So like right now I'm 50% of 100. I'm printing about 20 to 30 millimeters a second. You can see it's printing really slow, and I can go up faster, but the stringing actually gets worse. So I can increase the temperature, stringing will get worse. I can decrease the temperature, eventually the print quality will start to get weird. And some people love this printer, but there's a lot of people that don't like it, and I'm just wondering if I'm doing something wrong here. But I've tried to print quite a few things. I've had it a couple days now. I can't get it to print right. I've adjusted the Z offset and all that, and it would look pretty good until it starts to do a circle. So put my filament in a dryer, before I printed with it, all that kind of stuff. But like, I'm not having problems on the SV06. It's printing fine, same filament. So I don't know what's up with this thing, and I'm using basically the same temperatures, all that crap. I mean, it's got to be something simple. It can't be that terrible of a printer.